Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, we have already taken throat letters. Now we are on Makhraj of Qaaf and the Makhraj of Qaaf. When we say Makhraj of Qaaf, like we are discussing today from where the Qaaf will be pronounced. Where is the exact place from where the correct pronunciation of Qaaf can be made? So it's very important to know. So where this, because some people say this Qaaf, kh, kh, they don't use the correct place to pronounce it. So this is very important to know, and that the right place to pronounce cough is root of the tongue touching the soft part of upper palate. When you use the root of your tongue and when it touches the soft part of your upper palate, that is the correct place to pronounce cough. And of course, root of the tongue will be lifted up to use that part, and that soft part is the very rare part of your mouth, very rare part of your mouth. So when you practice, we take the short vowels and the long vowels, and with fatha it's qa, qa, qa. With kasra it's qi. Yeah, actually, with kasra, the heaviness of qaf is lower. So, qi, qa, qi, qu. With dhamma, it's qu. Long vowel with fatha, it's qa. Long vowel with kasra, it's qi, qi. Sorry, it's little lesser. Qi. And with dhamma, it's qu. Qu. So can you feel? You are using the root of your tongue and it is engaged with soft part of your upper palate. And when you give it sukoon, it will be aqo. Yes. So I know you can tell very easily this letter is heavy too. So we will give it a capital H, abbreviation of heaviness. So this is heavy and it will get qalqala. Yes, you will know after some time what qalqala is, but just for information, for the sukoon, it will get qalqala. Qa, qi, qu, qa, qi, qu, aqa. Now I will go slow so you can copy me. Qa, short sound and heavy. Qi, short sound. Qu, for long vowel. Qa, qi, qu, aqa. Yes. For fatha, you will open your jaw. Qa. For kasra, you will lower the lower lip. Qi. For dhamma, you will circle your lips. Qu. For fatha, you longer vowel, open your jaws. Qa. Qi. For dhamma, circle your lips. Qu. Here you will join aqa. Again, qa, qi, qu, qa, qi, qu, aqa. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.